What if I told you one of the purest Porsche driving experiences ever made isn't a six-figure 911, but a mid-engine air-cooled classic you can still own for around 27 grand? This is the 1972 Porsche 914 Targa. And once you understand it, you'll never look at classic Porsches the same way again. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because today we are stepping into a moment of Porsche history that doesn't shout for attention. It commands it quietly, confidently, and with absolute precision. Sitting in front of us is a car that rewrote the rules of what a Porsche could be, a machine born from bold ideas and fearless engineering, the 1972 Porsche 914 Targa. This isn't just a classic. This is a statement from an era when Porsche was willing to take risks, to challenge tradition, and to create something that would later be understood as timeless. Before you even turn the key, the presence of the 914 tells a story. The low, wedge-shaped silhouette hugs the ground like it was designed by the wind itself. The pop-up headlights sit flush and calm, waiting for the night to fall. The removable Targa roof promises freedom, sunlight, and the kind of open-air driving experience that modern cars try to imitate but never truly replicate. And then there's the color. Irish green, deep, rich, and unmistakably Porsche. This is not a loud color, it's a confident one. It whispers luxury instead of screaming for attention, and it looks just as stunning parked under showroom lights as it does carving through a mountain road. Slide into the cabin, and you're instantly transported to a time when driving was a conversation between man and machine. No oversized screens, no artificial engine sounds, just you, the steering wheel, and a perfectly positioned set of gauges that tell you exactly what you need to know and nothing more. The seating position is low and purposeful, placing you right at the center of the car. You don't sit on a 914, you sit in it. Every control feels mechanical, deliberate, and honest. This is a car that expects you to drive it, not just ride along. Behind you, mounted midship where it belongs, lives the heart of this Porsche, an air-cooled flat-4 engine breathing freely, singing its unmistakable mechanical song. It's not about outrageous horsepower numbers or brutal acceleration. This engine delivers something far more valuable: balance. The mid-engine layout gives the 914 a sense of poise that still surprises modern sports cars. Turn the wheel and the car responds instantly, rotating smoothly, confidently, like it's reading your mind. This is precision driving at its purest. The 5-speed manual transmission is a reminder of why enthusiasts still chase analog cars. Each shift feels mechanical and satisfying, a solid engagement that connects you directly to the drivetrain. There's no delay, no filters, no electronic intervention, just clutch, gear, throttle, repeat. This is driving as it was meant to be experienced. Every upshift is a reward, every downshift a moment to savor. And when it's time to slow things down, the four-wheel disc brakes deliver controlled, confident stopping power. Porsche engineering was already ahead of its time, ensuring that performance wasn't just about speed, but about control. This balance between acceleration, handling, and braking is what makes the 914 such a revelation even decades later. The Targa top transforms the entire experience. Remove it, stow it away, and suddenly the world opens up. The sound of the engine becomes richer, the road feels closer, and the drive becomes immersive in a way modern convertibles can't quite capture. Wind moves through the cabin, sunlight dances across the dashboard, and every mile feels like an event. This is not transportation, this is theater. Back in the early 1970s, the 914 was misunderstood by many. It was different. It didn't follow the traditional rear-engine Porsche formula. It dared to be something new. But time has been incredibly kind to the 914, and especially to examples like this 1972 Targa. Today, enthusiasts recognize it for what it truly is: one of the purest expressions of Porsche's engineering philosophy. Lightweight, balanced, driver-focused. This specific example, with its factory color combination and clean presentation, represents incredible value in the classic Porsche world. At around $26,995, or roughly $27,000, you're stepping into a genuine Porsche experience for a fraction of what other classic models demand. And unlike many investments, this one rewards you every time you turn the key. Values for well-kept 914S have been steadily climbing as collectors and drivers alike rediscover how special these cars really are. But the true luxury of the 1972 Porsche 914 Targa isn't measured in dollars. It's measured in moments. Early morning drives when the road is empty and the engine echoes through the hills. Late afternoon cruises with the Targa top off and the sun setting just right. Conversations at gas stations with people who know exactly what they're looking at and those who are discovering it for the first time. This is a car for people who understand that luxury doesn't always mean excess. Sometimes luxury means simplicity done perfectly. It means engineering that prioritizes feel over flash. It means a connection so pure that every drive becomes memorable. The 1972 Porsche 914 Targa stands today as a reminder that innovation doesn't always look radical at first glance, but it ages beautifully when it's done right. It's a car that rewards respect, skill, and passion. A car that doesn't need to prove itself anymore because history already has. If you're looking for a classic Porsche that delivers authenticity, engagement, and undeniable presence, this is it. A machine that invites you to drive, to explore, to feel. This isn't just owning a classic Porsche. This is living the Porsche philosophy, one perfectly balanced corner at a time.